As is known, the Google Pixel 9 Pro will soon be officially released in September 2024. This Google Pixel 8 Pro successor smartphone has a lot of differences that make it far superior to its predecessor. One of the main differences is the improvement in the camera sector, which is now capable of recording 8K 30 FPS video. In addition, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is also equipped with the latest chipset, updated design, and many others. Well, for those of you who want to know the difference in Google Pixel 9 Pro versus Google Pixel 8 Pro specifications, here is a review. First, the dimensions are more compact. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is lighter. In terms of appearance, these two smartphones look different, both when viewed from the front or back. On the front, the Google Pixel 9 Pro has a more rounded corner shape, while on the back, the Google Pixel 9 Pro has a more prominent and oval-shaped camera design. This camera design is different from that of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which is surrounded by a frame. Furthermore, there is a difference in the size of the smartphone. Google Pixel 9 Pro has smaller and lighter dimensions of 152.8 by 72 millimeters with a thickness of 8.5 millimeters and weighs 199 grams, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro has dimensions of 162.6 by 76.5 millimeters, has a body thickness of 8.8 millimeters, and weighs 213 grams. 13. Second, the Google Pixel 9 Pro uses the Tensor G4 chipset. As the latest exclamation point, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with the latest series of chipsets as well, the Tensor G4, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro uses the Tensor G3 chipset. Reported by NanoReview.net, the Google Tensor G4 successfully obtained an AnTuTu benchmark score of 1,323,184, while the Tensor G3 scored 1,145,372. Differences also exist in the screen sector, where the Google Pixel 9 Pro has a smaller screen size of 6.3 inches, but a higher screen brightness level of up to 3,000 nits, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro screen has a wider size of 6.7 inches and a screen brightness level of 2,400 nits. The rest, they both use LTPO OLED panels, have a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and support HDR10+. Third, Google Pixel 9 Pro's front camera has a higher resolution of 42 megapixels. On paper, the camera specifications of the Google Pixel 9 Pro and 8 Pro are not much different. The difference lies only in the front camera and recording capabilities, where the Google Pixel 9 Pro is superior to the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The following are the differences. For Google Pixel 9 Pro, rear camera, 50 megapixels, wide, 48 megapixels, periscope telephoto, 48 megapixels, ultra-wide. Front camera, 42 megapixels. Features, dual pixel PDAF, OIS, 5x optical zoom, multi-zone laser AF, pixel shift, ultra HDR, panorama, best take, and zoom enhance. Videography, 8K 30 FPS, while for Google Pixel 8 Pro, rear camera, 50 megapixels, wide, 48 megapixels, periscope telephoto, 48 megapixels, ultra-wide. Front camera, 10.5 megapixels. Features, dual pixel PDAF, OIS, 5x optical zoom, multi-zone laser AF, pixel shift, ultra HDR, panorama, best take, and zoom enhance. Videography, 4K 60 FPS. Fourth, the Google Pixel 8 Pro battery lasts longer. Although the latest series, the Google Pixel 9 Pro battery is actually lower when compared to the Google Pixel 8 Pro. That, of course, makes its durability shorter in daily use and gaming. Google Pixel 9 Pro has a battery capacity of 4,700 mAh, supports fast-charging 27-watt wired and 21-watt wireless, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro has a 5,050 mAh battery, 30-watt wired, and 23-watt wireless. Lastly, the features and the price offered. Google Pixel 9 Pro and Google Pixel 8 Pro have very similar features. Although similar, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is superior because it supports an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and satellite SOS service. These two features make the Pixel 9 Pro more secure, and the satellite SOS service allows users to stay connected in locations without cellular signal. The rest, they have the same features, such as waterproof, NFC sensor, stereo speakers, support for ultra-wideband, and many others. The price at the release of these two smartphones is the same, namely USD 999, or the equivalent of 15.3 million rupiah. In Indonesia, the price of the Google Pixel 8 Pro is now more affordable at 14.6 million rupiah.